Good morning. You can see my face, guys.
I just want a bag.
No makeup on. Your girl has got no makeup on. You know why? Because we are going to groom our eyebrows today because it looks really ugly if you see. I'll show you a close look. It's very, very ugly. And thanks to the pandemic and thanks to the situation we are in right now, that we are not supposed to go out because safety is very important. So we need to stay home, stay safe, and hence parlors are also closed, salons are closed. So I couldn't get my eyebrows done, neither my hair done, nor my nails done. So you guys know how much I love my nails, and I love getting it done from a nail salon, a nail boutique or something. And I have a particular place where I love to go because once you get used to the skin type, and once you get used to the atmosphere and the person knows what is your taste, it becomes very easier to explain. However, nothing of that sort is happening, and your girl is not getting anything done. So I tried doing my nails at home. It is a very, very tedious process. So I'm not sure if I would redo my gel nails again at home because it takes me over 3 hours. It's a very tedious process, guys. So leave me a comment below and let me know, what are you guys doing to keep your gel nails done, or you're getting it done, or how you're doing it. Just share some tips with me. Some of you, if you're professionals, let me know what's the best way to get it done and keep it for longer period rather than have to get it done for every 2 weeks almost. Okay, without much blabbering, let's get started into the video. So today we will be grooming our eyebrows, which it looks really ugly because there is a lot of hair that is growing in very bad state. And many of you have been sending me DMs asking me how I groom my eyebrows. So I thought I would share the tools and the technique that I generally do. So first of all, you would need a string. So any color string would do. This is the one that I had, so I'm using this one. And okay, then you need this is a kohl pencil basically, so I'm using this. All the products that I'm showing in this, I will link it in the description box below, and you can definitely go and check that as well. And then you need a pair of tweezers, or even one would do for you. You need this one. This is like a face shaving razor, something, eyebrow shaping razor. I'll link it down below. I don't really remember. I think it's from a brand called Twinkle, so I'll link that. You need a scissor, a small one, and you need a filler. So I have two here. Generally I use this too. That's what I recommend. This is from L'Oreal Paris, and that's the Brow Artist Brow Pomade. That's the one. And the other one is this one, which is my current favorite, and that is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. This is amazing. It's a very long stay pencil, guys. So okay, let's get started. So first of all, you need to take a measurement. Okay. Okay, so you need to see which one is down, which one is up. So I see my right eyebrow is little up compared to my left eyebrow. I mean, yeah, no, it's same. Just comment below and let me know if it looks same. So I'll be using a pair of Why do I keep saying a pair of? It's just a piece of mirror. Yeah, so I'll be using a mirror so that it's really essential. And I see that no, I have actually done it wrong. So let me just do it once again. Okay. All right, I just positioned my mirror and okay. Now do you see the line? Okay, it's perfect. So now what you have to do is you have to mark on the line. Okay, just 2 dots. That would be the top end. Okay, then you need to take the measurement. So it's almost here. Same for this one. Just see how it is going, guys. This is how you measure it. Okay, this one. And I think they do it like this. Yes, so. Okay, yes, now that's correct. Now, so we need to brush it with the help of the spoolie. It's really good. It's as good as the name, guys. It says goof proof. So it means without mistake, I guess. And it's really nice. Amazing. Okay. Now, what you need to do is, this comes with a twist up like this. You just need to fill in the sparse areas so that you understand the shape. So I'm going to quickly fill in the sparse areas, and I'm going to put you on a time lapse for this because otherwise it's going to be very lengthy. So into a time lapse, filling the eyebrows. Okay, so you can see that I'm making okay, so now you can see that both my eyebrows are done and you're not on time lapse now. So it's time to brush your eyebrows again. Okay, so once you brush your eyebrows, you can probably take the same pencil to check if the bottom part is same that you have done, the upper portion is same. So it's perfect. This is the shape that you want to make your face look really nice and like a very professional look. So now whatever is extra, so I'll show you and then pop you back there again. So you can see this is extra, this is extra. So you can see this line here, it's same. The top portion, it is same. So now we need to just shape it. So you can see this corner, it's same. So now I'm gonna pop you back here. Oh, yes. And I'm gonna first use this blade to shape the top portion. Okay. So be very gentle and careful so that you don't do anything wrong to your brows. Okay, very light hand. Just the extras. So you take it off with this one. It's very easy and it's less painful. See, I losing words. Okay, now it's the work of the tweezer to tweeze it from the bottom part of it. So be very gentle and take out some of them. Okay. So I'll put you on time lapse and then I'll show you what exactly have I done. Have I passed or have I failed? So very gently you need to just take it out. So I'll quickly do that.
Oh, bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick.
Okay, so this one I'm done with shaping. This one, it's the time for the other one. Please excuse me if I'm not looking at the camera because I have to be careful not to do something wrong or goofy any which way. Nobody can fix it right now, so I have to fix it. So I need to be very careful. So excuse me that. All right, so I have done both the eyebrows, and please ignore the noise, whatever noise is happening. I think Neil is in the study room and he's trying to pull and push the chair. I don't know for what, but he's trying to make some noise. You know how it is when it's locked down and both of you are working at home. It's very difficult. So now it's time again to brush your brows and check if you have done everything correct. Okay. So I can see that everything is correct. Now it's time to shape the front portion and anything that's extra. So you just need to, okay. So you need to shape this one and need to shape this one. Okay. So it's done. Now you need to brush your brows downwards and see if there is anything that's extra. You need to chop that off as well. Yes, chop that off. So you can see this. Okay, you guys will probably not able to see this fine hair that I'm cutting off. Very little, guys. So I think it's almost done. I mean, basically it's done. So I will quickly brush it and show you guys. Alright, so I think I will end this video here, and I really apologize because last week I was not able to upload any video. It's not that I had taken a week off, it was because I was working on a project, a secret project, which soon will be revealed. And it is something which is very, very close to my heart. And I think I was trying to do this from a long time, but I never gave it a serious thought. But then now that I am giving it a thought, I know and I can see that I can really, really do it very well. So I have basically built my own website. I have done it myself because, as you know, that I can build websites, I can write codes on my own. So I have built the website and also blogs on the website, but it is just the first cut of the website that I am building, and it is linked in the description box. I want you guys to give me some feedback on that and let me know if it looks nice or are there any cosmetic changes that is required on the website. So do leave me a comment below, and you can visit the first cut of my website in the description box. It is there. It is beobsessed.net. So you can go and check that and let me know what are the changes that can be implemented in the blog. It's very confusing, but yeah, in the blog, what are the changes? Any which way, I will see you in my next vlog. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy, and be obsessed about yourself. Bye bye. This is how it looks after you have shot a wonderful video. Now I have to clean this. By the way, this was another video, so that will come up next on my channel.